Grand awakening, Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs. Great products are there. I'd love to meet you. Your word of the day is the goodness inside of you. You guys have been becoming your better self, making imperfections perfections. Understand that your imperfections or things that are weaknesses are not weaknesses. These are your strengths, but you work with them and you turn them into strengths. I want you to look into the mirror today and say, thank you for bending but not breaking. Thank you for not stopping. You're beautiful. You're doing a great job. You're a total different being than you were a second ago, an hour ago, a month ago, a year ago. Look at your growth and look at the difference you're making. Aries, keep on going. I overcome my imperfections and polish my character to feed on the positive. Positive vibes bring positive blessings and circumstances. Negative energy brings lessons. That turns into blessings, but you have to learn. You've learned enough. Thus, I free myself, allow my goodness to manifest and become a source of joy through gentleness. I offer unconditional support, understanding, and love to myself and to others. Please do that because I need you and the world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.